Welcome to the Wonder Garden channel. I believe that all of us want the orchids in our homes to stay lush, healthy, and bloom with vibrant flowers. That's why, in today's video, I will share with you a method to make a completely natural fertilizer using simple ingredients that are easy to find right in your own kitchen. After a short period of proper application, you will notice significant changes in your orchids. New roots grow vigorously, with plump green tips that anchor well in the growing medium. Leaves become thick, deep green, and glossy, with less wrinkling and dullness. Flower spikes grow strong, buds develop evenly and fully, signaling an upcoming, vibrant blooming season. Now, let's get started. To make this fertilizer, first I will use rice. Rice contains a high amount of starch, B-group vitamins, and natural minerals, which provide a gentle source of energy for the plant and stimulate the growth of beneficial microorganisms in the growing medium. I put 3 tablespoons of rice into a clean glass. Next, add 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature. Then, stir well so that the vitamins and natural nutrients in the rice gradually dissolve into the water, creating a nutrient-rich solution that helps the plant absorb nutrients more easily and grow more healthily. Finally, cover it and let the solution sit for 1 hour. At the same time, use eggshells as the next ingredient. First, rinse the eggshells thoroughly under clean running water. This helps limit the growth of bacteria and mold during drying or storage, making the eggshells safer and cleaner. As a result, when applied to orchids, the plants can absorb the minerals more effectively. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. After washing, let the eggshells drain and dry under sunlight. Dry eggshells are easier to crush, and this also helps the minerals inside dissolve more easily and work more effectively when applied to the plants. When the eggshells are completely dry, I grind them into small pieces or a fine powder, as shown in the video. Grinding increases the surface area, allowing the calcium and minerals in the eggshells to dissolve more easily. As a result, the plant can absorb them better, leading to stronger roots, firmer leaves, and more vigorous growth. Next, I put everything into a clean glass. Add 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature to dilute the solution, making the concentration suitable and safe for the plant. Then, stir well so that the nutrients and minerals from the eggshells dissolve and release into the water. Finally, let the eggshell solution sit for 1 hour. While waiting, we proceed to lightly water the plant. This step is very important, as it helps wake up the root system and prepare it to absorb nutrients more effectively. The clean water evenly moistens the growing medium, washes away salt buildup and dust, and creates a well-aerated environment for the roots to breathe and exchange nutrients. At the same time, the root tips are activated, the roots expand, and their ability to transport water and nutrients is enhanced. When the organic fertilizer solution is applied afterward, the plant absorbs nutrients quickly and evenly, helping to prevent fertilizer shock or root burn. After the initial watering, lift the plant out to prepare for applying the organic fertilizer. After 1 hour of soaking, I filter out all the rice residue and keep only the nutrient-rich liquid. This is the solution we will use. At the same time, I also filter the eggshell residue together with the rice water, keeping only the mineral-rich liquid that has been extracted. Finally, add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution. Now the organic solution is ready to use. Let's start watering the plants in the garden. Method 1. First, I pour the diluted rice and eggshell solution into a specialized watering can. Then, gently water around the base of the orchid so the solution gradually seeps into the growing medium and reaches the roots directly. The rice water provides organic starch, vitamins, and minerals that help young roots grow strong, enhance nutrient absorption, and speed up recovery. The eggshells supply natural calcium, strengthening the roots, reducing root rot, and also supporting thicker, firmer, and greener leaves. You should water once a week. Once the plant is stable and growing well, you can reduce it to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain balanced nutrition and support sustainable growth. Method 2. Gently pour the prepared rice and eggshell solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cloth or cotton pad to gently dab the solution and carefully wipe each leaf. I start by wiping the leaves of the orchid. The rice solution helps clean dust, mineral residues, and long-standing deposits on the leaf surface, while providing organic starch, vitamins, and minerals that help the leaves recover, stay green, and perform photosynthesis more effectively. The eggshells, rich in natural calcium, support the leaf cell structure, making the leaves thicker, firmer, and boosting the plant's resistance. When wiping, make sure to clean both the top and bottom surfaces of the leaves so the nutrients can evenly penetrate the leaf tissue. Doing this 1 to 2 times a week will keep the leaves clean and healthy, allow efficient nutrient absorption, and avoid overwatering or damaging the plant. Method 3. Pour the remaining solution into a mist spray bottle. Misting allows the natural nutrients from oats, rich in vitamins, minerals, and enzymes, combined with ginger's natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, and the calcium-rich eggshells to evenly coat the entire plant. This provides balanced nutrition while forming a gentle protective layer that helps reduce harmful bacteria, mold, and pests. You should mist once a week during the first month, then reduce to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. After letting the leaves and roots absorb the nutrients for about 15 minutes, if there is any water remaining on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it off with a soft cloth or clean cotton to prevent creating a favorable environment for fungal growth. Once the leaves are completely dry, the plant is better protected, reducing the risk of leaf or shoot rot, and maintaining a healthy state with thick, glossy, vibrant leaves full of vitality. After 2 months, you will notice remarkable changes. Many new roots emerge, with the tips turning plump, green, and glossy, showing that the plant is absorbing nutrients from ginger, eggshells, and oats very well and is recovering strongly. A healthy root system is the essential foundation for orchids to grow steadily and sustainably in the coming seasons. The orchid leaves turn a deep green with a smooth, thick surface. When touched, they feel firm and resilient, signs that the plant is in peak condition. In some pots, new flower spikes begin to appear, growing noticeably taller, indicating that the plant has stabilized and is ready for a vibrant blooming season. Each blooming flower is not only a natural beauty, but also a well-deserved reward for the patience and care you've invested in your garden. The gentle care method using ginger, eggshells, and oats not only strengthens the orchids, but also brings positive changes to the entire garden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out on more simple yet effective plant care tips in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video on the Wonder Garden channel.